Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's get right into the analysis here. As we can see, Bitcoin has rallied substantially here towards the upside and has potentially maybe found a significant top. Again, this was actually my target between 61,000 to 68,000. I know it was a big range, and actually we got there surprisingly quickly. But overall, you know, the count that I had illustrated before could have extended the wave 3 technically, actually, because the RSI has made a new nominal high. So maybe now we will get a bigger wave 4 pullback. Again, this would mean that we would get a very sizable pullback maybe before we continue towards the upside. It could also be very shallow as well, but I think after this kind of run, we may get a pretty big retrace, and we have the PCE data coming out tomorrow, right? So we got that to be to look for, and you know, you can see on the daily here we did take out this previous pivot, so to me it looks like it's extending the wave 3. But technically as a whole, even though we look at this RSI high, we have not taken out this RSI high. So for me, the wave 3 has finished here, and what we're doing now is just finishing up in a fifth wave. Could this fifth wave finish at any moment? Yeah, it really could. Technically, this could be already done. You know, we bounced off nicely there, and now we're impulsing out again. But could this larger wave 5 be done? And you know, this is your 3, a 4, and a 5. Yeah, it could. It could technically just be finished here, and we're gonna start to tread sideways or start to, you know, come back down here and look for a significant low to come in a wave 2 retrace, which could mean, you know, 40,000, 45. I know these numbers seem very unlikely, but this is not gonna happen like in a couple of days, right? I'm saying in the coming weeks and maybe months, as the halving comes, we'll probably, you know, start to see a bit of a retrace. In my opinion, it sort of looks like buy the rumor, sell the news now. When you kind of look at where the market is, you know, everyone's FOMOing in at the last minute. Now it's time to get in. Institutions are here, so it's only up from here, right? But just looking at how the market is going up right now, I think we would be due for a retrace, but we'll see. We'll see, right? You know, this is the account that I've been following, and it's been going pretty well so far. We hit my target area, and we've been rejected since then. It doesn't mean that we're going to continue to get rejected. Could we make another nominal high? We technically could, but we'll have to see when the time comes. You know, I'm looking for a significant top in the traditional markets as well, but these things can be hard to time. And when you have larger targets like this for a larger wave 1 top, then in that case, you know, you could widen it a bit. So we've had it since 58,000, and it goes as high as 71,000, which would make it a new all-time high and potentially another nominal high. You have this upsloping trend line here on the Bitcoin. Could it mean that we're going to 85k, 84k? Maybe, but I mean, I don't think we're gonna get there without a pullback. But I know, you know, this is Bitcoin, so anything can happen. But right now, we've been following the traditional markets, and it to me looks like kind of like a late Nvidia pump. Yeah, when we take a look at Market Cipher, let's take a look here. I'll just get on it for you guys. It's showing we were almost in a you know, we almost got a short opportunity here with decreasing green money flow, but boom, it just flipped bullish at the last minute, and we took off. So that was your confirmation that we were not going to roll over, and we were just going to go up from there. And then on the 4 hour, you actually see, even though we've gotten this massive rally in Bitcoin, we're actually not seeing that much green money flow come in, and we're starting to see the momentum waves diverge and start to roll over already. 1 hour is plentiful, full of green money flow, although it's a little bit overstretched now. When we start to see this, we start to see money flow decrease and maybe a flow back up, and then we'll start to roll over then. But until then, you know, we've had an amazing pump. It's been an amazing rally here. We're up significantly inside the Discord on our spot trades. I think I posted an update the other day. We were long Doge, XRM, XMR, XRP, and Atom, but these are like from February 28th, or sorry, this morning, I think. 1:13 a.m. So basically last night, and I haven't given another update today on what our positions are doing. But again, if you guys want to join the Discord, get access to my trades, feel free to join with the link in the description. Let's head over to Wave Edge and see what we can see here. In the terms of like the 4-hour daily, not really seeing any significant selling after this rally. Looking at the weekly, we did confirm another weekly, large amount of selling registered here. But so far, it's it doesn't mean that the top is in. This thing keeps pushing up. If this candle were to retrace all the way back down, in my opinion, that would be extremely bearish. And we formed our wave 1 top, and we're now going for a larger three wave move decline, which could last a very long time and could take a very large amount of time to play out, and then we'll finish up in a C. Which, I mean, I'm not saying we're going to 20k, but we'll see where this wave 2 wants to end. And then when it does end, then it could turn out to be a huge buying opportunity for an even bigger rally later on, right? But we will follow the markets and see what happens, because none of this is guaranteed. This is just us expecting, price movement to be followed up by some reaction on our buy zones. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. Nothing going on right now. 30-minute, not seeing anything here. So I mean, right now all these buys have been pushing up the price. We'll see what happens in the coming days, or even tomorrow with the PCE data. And if we do get a big sell-off, then that's going to be the beginning of the next move for Bitcoin. Okay, but so far everything's played out very nicely. These were my targets up here, and we nailed them. I think I had this 1.272 target, and we actually, which was like the extension of a fib retracement, we almost tagged it to the tick, and then we were kind of like got a bit of a reversal, but it was not enough to hold back the bulls to the moon, right? Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy the content. If you want me to check out some more of your coins, actually someone asked me to take a look at Doge. So actually, let me head over to Dogecoin and I'll take a look at it before I end this video. Let me see if I think I did the analysis on this chart here. So let me just head over here. I thought I had formed a count. I did not. Okay. Anyways, to me this looks like let's see what we got going on here. Yeah. So right now you're in a third wave. So this is actually quite bullish for Dogecoin. And this could extend to a higher degree. So we'll see where this ends up. Let me just pull some fibs here to see what we can make out of this, and I'll give you guys a bit of a target for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin should run up to the 100%. To the 1.618, but I wouldn't even put it past it if it does go to the 2.618. So if it goes up to here, you're in a third wave movement, and it's just going to keep pushing higher until you form divergence, and then you retrace in a 4, and then you'll be, when you form divergence, you'll be in your 5th wave. Okay, so that's what I have for Dogecoin. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.